everyone, it's Jiffy, and we're at the Indoor Adventure Park. Are you ready to go on a Jiffy adventure? Let's jump!
Fun and adventure awaits. Let's explore with Jiffy.
Get ready for a day of sliding, learning shapes and colors, exploring, jumping. Let's go! This is an inflatable park. That means it's similar to like having a bouncy house, or even when you pump up your bicycle, same thing. The whole place is filled with air, so we can jump. We got tic-tac-toe. So, let's try this. Oh. Next person. Green X. Pink O. Another X. Ah! Tic-tac-toe. 3 in a row. So, oh, this is so much fun. Let's go, Chicken. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. That was really fun. Oh! These are colored balls. We have yellow, blue, green, red, and purple. You want to see something really cool? Check this out. Purple ball, yellow colored ball, and a green colored ball. All floating, all by itself. Now, let me explain to you how we're able to do this. It's like this. Fast air lifts it, air pushes back. Slow air keeps it in the middle. We've got some shapes here and colors. Let's check them out. We have a purple square, green circle, a yellow square, like me, a pink triangle, yellow circle, a purple circle, and a yellow square. There's so many things to do here. Basketball. Ready? Here we go. Nope. Yes! This looks super cool. We are jumping. Okay. To go through this, I don't know what to expect, but I need your help to go with me. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, whoa! Oh, this is so much fun! Wow! Okay, we're gonna go climb up this. You ready? Let's go! All right, here we go. All right, we're going down. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh, whoa! That was fun. We're gonna go up the slide. We're gonna go up to the slide. Then we're gonna go down really fast. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on. Here we go. Your turn. Okay. Your option for this is to go through this. So you can. So you ready? Let's go. Whoa. I'm really dizzy. Let's keep going. Okay. Now, let's see. What do we want to do next? I think we're going to go over the top of this. You ready? Here we go.
Want another slide?
Here I go! Oh! We're gonna go through this tunnel. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, this is so much fun! Here! Okay! We're gonna go down the other side! It's gonna be so much fun! Oh, I love this place! You ready? Let's do it again. Let's go check out this part. Let's go.
Let's go up these stairs. I'm gonna try to jump onto this square. Oh no.
Whoa! That was fun. Let's go.
We're doing it again.
Here we go! That was so much fun. All right, let's continue.
Let's start jumping.
We have a green ball and an orange ball. Let's jump. Ready? Play dodgeball. Let's go, come on. Going all the way up. Purple and silver rectangle. We're gonna go to these circles and find these huge bouncing balls. Okay, let's go check it out. All right, ready? This is so much fun. This is so much fun. It's like being on a net full of yarn. And it's bouncy too. We're gonna go this tunnel now. Here we go. Go! Green face, yellow, pink, purple. We're going down in this tunnel. Whoa. Oh, here we go. That was amazing. On the bubble cars, you have to do the safety first. So we gotta put a seatbelt on, like so. Oh, we're gonna get ready. It's gonna be so much fun. I had so much fun with you on this indoor adventure park adventure. Remember everything you did and learned? Yes. You went through many obstacles, trampolines, even the bumper car. Oh, that was so much fun. And you learned many different colors like purple, green, orange, blue, yellow, and then different shapes, a square, a triangle, and a circle. And the colors here. And that means that this is the end of this adventure. If you'd like to explore more with me, search for Chippy Adventure. We have learned and we have played. So it's time to say, zoom zoom, see you soon. Bye.
Learning is fun when we explore. Join me next time to learn even more. Fun and adventure awaits. Let's explore with Jiffy.
We're having so much fun today. I think